lost that once were free. Fields of fear stretch far and wide, and the razor wire goes to the sky. And I make my round through the fields all day, while the prisoners work their sins away. Shotgun perched upon my leg, on a 16-hand tall thoroughbred. They sing, ain't no way to mend a broken heart, ain't no way to mend a broken heart, ain't no way to mend a broken heart. Devil holds the key. There ain't no way to mend a broken heart, ain't no way to mend a broken heart, ain't no way to mend a broken heart. Brother, get down on your knees. Desperation in a troubled man spreads like poison in this land. But I've seen it all from this saddle, son. Yeah, gotta rest your soul if you try to run. Oh, now ash to ash and dust to dust. You're here because your dreams went bust. Best put that pickaxe in the ground, keep on moaning that lonesome sound. There ain't no way to mend a broken heart, ain't no way to mend a broken heart, ain't no way to mend a broken heart. Devil holds the key. There ain't no way to mend a broken heart, ain't no way to mend a broken heart, ain't no way to mend a broken heart. Brother, get down on your knees. When the cold wind blew through that old screen door, you didn't hear their screams no more. Blood on the walls and across the floor. Lord, what did you do? You drug them out to that old oak tree, dug a hole neath the tire swing, wiped a tear through in the rain in a sawed-off shotgun too. And you laid them down in a cold hard ground, side by side the way you found them. Falling rain didn't make a sound, and that's when you knew that there ain't no way to mend a broken heart, ain't no way to mend a broken heart, ain't no way to mend a broken heart. Devil holds the key. There ain't no way to mend a broken heart, ain't no way to mend a broken heart, ain't no way to mend a broken heart. Brother, get down on your knees.
Been sitting here tipping back, crown straight, working up the nerve and the words to say, to turn those eyes and that smile my way. No time to waste, 'cause you showed up and all eyes on you, shining like a diamond in a neon room. Every guy here wants to make a move. I better make a move, 'cause somebody else will if I don't. Walk up and ask you your name right now, offer to buy you a drink, sit down, to tell you your looks could kill. Somebody else will if I don't. Take a chance on your lips and lean in, slowly stealing your kiss like this, and making your world stand still. Somebody else will. Somebody else will. Maybe you're a little bit West Coast, maybe you're a little bit down home. Either way, girl, I just gotta know. I just gotta know, 'cause somebody else will if I don't. Walk up and ask you your name right now, offer to buy you a drink, sit down, to tell you your looks could kill. Somebody else will if I don't. Take a chance on your lips and lean in, slowly stealing your kiss like this, and making your world stand still.
Okay. You good? Hi, I'm Garrett McQueen with Go Buckle Horse Sales. This is Nugget. He's an 8-year-old trail horse. I come over here and rode him this morning. Rode him in the arena, rode him out in the pasture, through the trail course. We crossed water and all that stuff. He did everything I asked him, no questions asked. Caught him in the pen this morning, saddled him up. He took a bit real good. I picked up all 4 feet. He gave me all of them, no problems. I don't see him being a problem for a horseshoer or nothing like that. Loaded up in the trailer, no questions asked. Didn't do anything crazy all day. He just stayed laid back and cool, calm, and collected all day, and I really enjoyed riding him around, and hope whoever gets him does too.